This video covers steps for installing the TrioGrow SnugLock family of car seats, forward-facing, using Latch and SnugLock. We'll go over step-by-step instructions to help ensure your car seat is installed securely. Before getting started, have your car seat manual and your vehicle's manual on hand. Graco supports the American Academy of Pediatrics and National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's car seat guidelines. Please review this information before proceeding. All vehicles have a latch system weight limit. Please review your vehicle manual and car seat manual to confirm this limit. If the weight of your child plus the weight of the car seat is greater than the latch limit, please install your car seat using the vehicle seat belt. Unhook the top tether strap from storage and place over the front of the car seat for easy access later. Push the base against the vehicle seat and make sure the car seat base is flat against the vehicle seat. Make sure at least 80% of the car seat base is on the vehicle seat. To start, remove the latch connectors from storage. For easier installation, extend the latch strap to its maximum length by pressing the gray button and pulling on the strap. Adjust the recline to position 4, 5, or 6. Start by loosening the harness straps. Then, raise the headrest to the highest position. Unbuckle the chest clip and the buckle. Lift the headrest pad flap up and out of the way. Undo the lower snaps on the seat pad and lift the seat pad, exposing the back and the base of the car seat. Make sure the latch strap is in the forward-facing belt path, marked with an orange label. If you need to move the latch strap, refer to your car seat manual for instructions. Be sure the SnugLock lock-off is in the forward-facing position and open the SnugLock lock-off. If you need to move the SnugLock lock-off from rear-facing to forward-facing position, simply open the SnugLock lock-off and twist. Attach both the latch connectors to the vehicle's lower anchors. The latch strap should lie flat and not be twisted. Press down on the center of the seat while pulling on the free end of the latch strap to remove all the slack. Do not pull on the strap with excessive force. Lock the SnugLock lock-off with a click. Replace the seat pad and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Then attach the tether to the tether anchor. Extend the strap by lifting up on the lock and attach to your vehicle. Review your vehicle manual to confirm the correct tether attachment point. Remove all the slack in the top tether strap. Finally, go through this checklist to make sure the installation is correct. Test for tightness. Grab the sides of the seat where the latch strap is routed and slide the seat side to side and front to back. The seat shouldn't move more than 1 inch in any direction. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, open the SnugLock lock-off and pull on the latch strap to remove slack. Then close the SnugLock lock-off again. Repeat until the seat moves less than 1 inch. Check the height of the harness straps. For forward-facing car seats, harness straps should be at or just above the child's shoulders. Raise or lower the harness as needed to ensure the harness is in the right position. Do the pinch test. Tighten the harness strap snugly by pulling on the front adjuster strap. If you can pinch the harness strap at the child's shoulders, the straps are too loose. Check the placement of the chest clip. Once buckled in, ensure the chest clip is at armpit level on your child. Raise or lower as needed. If you have all check marks, then you have a successful and proper installation of the Graco TrioGrow SnugLock 3-in-1 car seat.